K is for kite, up so high. L is for lion, roaring to the sky. M is for monkey, swing all day. N is for nest, where birdies stay. O is for owl, hoo-hoo, tonight. P is for penguin, black and white. Q is for queen, kind and wise. R is for rainbow, colorful skies. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for train, choo-choo delight. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin, lovely refrains. W is for whale, splashing free. X is for xylophone, play with me. ABC